Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the LotaTools brand 3-gear electric air duster. This is an air compressor, super powered turbo air compressor. We're going to open it up. We're going to show you what it looks like. We're going to test it out. Obviously, you can use this in a lot of different scenarios. We're going to show you the power of this. And then, of course, we're going to let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of the box, simple user manual. Highly recommend you check it out. Read all the details on best cases, worst cases, how to use all these things. And it comes really nice. What it seems to be missing right now is a charger. And that's fine. I've got 1,000 of these. So let's talk about the actual device here. So you're going to have the charging capability right down here at the bottom. It is a USB-C charge. You're going to have both I believe a vacuum as well as an air compressor. So we'll go ahead and confirm that. But what we're going to do first is get this thing charged up. But if you want to turn it on, all you're going to do is hold that button, and I guess that is not a vacuum, it's just going to be a simple air compressor. So we're going to hold this button on the front like a trigger, like a gun, and I think we can kind of just change the levels. And you can hear the difference. So it is just a straight air compressor. Now, this will probably fit. No, it won't. Some of these things fit on the back, but I guess this one does not, which is totally good. So if you need to make this portable, you can obviously stick this in your pocket, remove that front, and then that just kind of magnets right back on. So let's go ahead and show you that it is not, well, I guess it is pretty fully charged. I saw that it looked like it lost one dot there for a second, but we're going to go ahead and make sure it's completely charged regardless. Yeah, see, it does seem like it needs to be charged up. So we're going to go ahead and charge this thing up to its full capacity and then test it out outside. In the meantime, to turn it back off, just hold that for a couple seconds, and as you can see, it's now off. The front tube. So overall, good looking product, nicely packaged. Seems like mine was missing a little piece here, which is totally fine. Nice seal there. So stands up on its own, which is nice. So we're gonna go ahead and get this charged up. Okay, so the best way I know of to kind of demonstrate this is really just show you it blowing stuff, like leaves and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that you can get an idea of this, but what I'm gonna do, because it's probably pretty hard, is show you blowing leaves. Exactly how far I am. To do this really nicely is to kind of show you some wettish leaves. Getting blown away. So this thing is obviously not a leaf blower, but as you can see, it does a pretty decent job. And I'll see the water on them. So it does a decent job. From a distance. But the best way to really show it is, again, showing you kind of the way this kind of gets some of the dirt. I'm hoping it's not too hard to see, but blowing dirt around. Pretty amazing, the power of this thing. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.